Morning guys, and in front of me is Honor 400 Power, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first, open your phone gallery, go to contacts, choose the contact that you wish to personalize. Let me go with this one. Now mark edit and click on camera icon. Now you can either take a photo and open your camera to grab photo right now, or you can choose something from your gallery. I'll go with, for example, this photo, tap on confirmation mark, and now customize it however you like, crop it as only you wish. Tap on confirmation mark then, and save by tapping on. Okay, is it applied? Let me redo it just to make sure that it is applied. This time I'll pick a different one. Wakey. It should work right after you mark it. If it doesn't, just try again. I believe we have some small issue here, but let me redo it one more time. So the operation looks the same. Okay, so this is how it should work. Tap on confirmation mark again, and that's it. As you can see, from now on it is applied. If it's not working as it should at first, just be patient and redo it to add this photo, but it should work properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.